Hello friends, my name's Carrie Ann. I'm a realtor here with eXp Realty. You are watching Living in Hendersonville, the YouTube show all about living in Hendersonville, North Carolina and Western North Carolina and the surrounding areas. Today I am in a town called Arden, North Carolina. It is in between Hendersonville and Asheville, kind of close to Mills River Fletcher area, and I am here at an adorable, very charming, actually it's even a little bit more elevated than that, elegant townhouse. It's a standalone townhome here at 14 Kaylor Drive. It's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, over 1,500 square feet, and it's listed for $425,000. It is in a great location and I'm going to show it to you. So let's go take a look. Well friends, there she is. That's a wrap. This is such a great location. It's 10 minutes from the airport, super convenient to Asheville, super convenient to Hendersonville, so perfect for if you're working in Asheville but you want to maybe hit Pisgah and DuPont because you can hop right on 280 to Brevard. It's a great location. Like I said, hardwood floors, we have tile in the kitchen, listed at $425,000. Thanks to listing agent Justin Purnell for letting me host open house today and do this YouTube video. So yeah, if you have questions about this property or about Arden or Hendersonville, Mills River, any of the surrounding towns, you know I'm your girl. Give me a call. Here's my phone number right here. Happy to help you and anyone you know with moving here to Western North Carolina. Thanks for watching another episode of Living in Hendersonville, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.